I'm doing this video for John. We are going to be doing some major powder coating and cleaning up of motorcycle parts. We're going to see about getting this Bondo off, and right here where we think there's a crack. But today's going to be, I don't know how to do a short really on YouTube. I don't think that popularity is taken off, but anyway, I want John to see what I'm doing. This is what we were looking at the other day. We've got this bearing race right here that has to come off, and I'm going to do that and post it so John can see what I'm doing today. So it's Monday, near the end of February, and so I kind of wanted to know where we are and how's it going. So I think I'm going to take this thing down and put it in the ultrasonic machine. I'm going to clean up some stuff today, and we're going to heat up this pipe and blow that out and blow the dents out of it, or put air in it and then heat it and blow it out. Pretty interesting procedure. I'm looking forward to seeing that. But right now, let's just go cut this thing out of here and get one thing done today instead of 5 things started. You just never know what's going to happen next. It can be a lot of fun. Okay, so the trick here is going to be to get my cutting wheel right here on the Dremel and cut on this race, and then drive one of these chisels in there and snap that loose and pull it right off the shaft. Now you see, I tried my slider and everything else, but this shaft, there's no way. And you can't really get it to mount up in the, windy today, can't really get it to mount up in the press thing. So I'm just gonna go right here. Let me get dressed up for it and I'll show you a little bit of cut, and then always good to show a little action. Okay. Use both hands. So the trick here is to just cut all you can. Oops, sorry. I'm still frame. Okay. Without doing any damage, or not very much, to this. So let's see how this does. Let's try a little bigger weapon here. So sort of half banging on it, half wedge. Well, I'll have to reach around you there. Classic reach around. Okay, I think I didn't do that right there. I don't think I did. Thought I saw it move. Feels like it's giving. Never done it on anything quite like this before. Let's hit it this way. Well, so the trick is right in there, so just stick with me. Might as well, huh? Camera's gonna get hit. I don't know if it's in frame or not. Might have to leave a little apprentice mark there. I don't know. Oh. Well, so much for tripod, huh? I keep kicking the feet. It's going to be what happens. Let's hit it. Wow, that's some hard stuff. I don't know. Did it move? Guess I need to put a mark there to see where I am. Yeah, it's moving. Yeah. Yeah, baby. I can get it out a little bit. There you go. Oh. All right. He'll be happy to see that. I'll send him a picture and say you need to watch my video. All right, and that's gonna wrap this up here. I'm gonna have to use my other hand. There you go. Get this out of the vise. Okay. Minimum amount of marks there. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. We're gonna just put that down in there and let it simmer. It's not turned on or anything. I'm just gonna soak it and know where it is. So let me get a picture of him for that. So give me a thumbs up. That's all there is on this one. And we will, hang on everybody. I'm gonna have to spend about 20 minutes getting everything in order here. All right, thanks again for spending time with me. So we'll see how it goes. Oh, I know what I wanted to do. Let's see if we can get some numbers off this. Japanese, let me get these off so I can see. And let's get a little bit of brake clean on it. Okay. Let's go out here so I can get him a number. So, whew, golly, they're doing it today. Okay. 4T-CR-06 or something. Let me go over to the lube lamp, see if we can clear up that 6 or 8. They ought not be able to be using L's or I's or zeros or 8, should they? Crazy. I'm trying to be smart about this and get my big jeweler's lamp out here. 4T-CR-0643 or 0843, I don't know. So I've got a backup plan here. So Japan DL NTN. So I thought it'd be smart to tell John what the internal diameter was. So this is a Japanese bike. So it's 30 millimeters. Okay. On the inner shank. Okay. Okay. Well, now we know, don't we? Okay. Well, once again, thanks again. Oh, I plugged it in directly. Once again, thanks again. Sharing time with me, and etc. etc. And it's gonna get dark on me before I get down my list, but that's okay. So give me a thumbs up. Picture of John. I'll send it to him right now. 3:30, 46. Okay. Bye bye, guys. Thank you.